Do you want to present your services and products to your customers more easily and make them more efficient? Here comes Smart Table with lots of experience and benefits. The Smart Table helps to generate more sales and profit. The main message of the Smart Table is that these interactive devices, and especially our software, act like a salesperson. The Smart Table speaks to the guests. Companies earn more money with interactive tables. The company-specific application is on the Smart Table. This saves you a download. The mobile phone is individual. The Smart Table brings people back together. You can exchange ideas, data, photos, and experience sales, games, and ordering together. We want entrepreneurs to be able to offer more services and work more efficiently. We would love you to call us to exchange your use cases and ideas for your Smart Table business. Increase your customer satisfaction and work efficiency with our Smart Table. Join us today. Visit us on www.i-factory.at/#contact and make an appointment.